लैला का कैरेक्टर डेवलप करने का क्या प्रोसेस था आपका? You just went on set and you said I'm gonna play lend some of myself to her, या did you actually think of a different character कि यार कि this is how I'm gonna play it?
I think being a newlywed really helped. I was able to channelize some part of me. Even though, alhamdulillah, I am very lucky. I didn't have to face any problems that Leila faced. But I was able to channelize the emotions of a newlywed. कि आपको कैसा feel होता है, कैसे आप expectations लेकर जाते हो. So I'm lucky कि आपकी expectations are met and beyond. लेकिन आपको वो heartbreak समझ में आता है कि अगर if they're not met. So I think I was just being myself. I was really, really directed well by Ali Bhai, and I can say that I left it all to him. Script really helped me. Script में सब कुछ पहले से था. There's nothing I had to add. And then the director, of course, Ali Bhai और मेरी बहुत अच्छी chemistry थी. So he was able to tell me when I was wrong, when I was right, and वो भी emotions को बहुत deeply और बहुत detail में देखते हैं. So I feel like whatever people saw was a fine amalgamation of my thoughts and Ali Bhai's thoughts, and of course the writer तो वो तो platter है ही जिसके ऊपर हम पे सारा काम करता है.
तो एक चीज तो कॉमन ये थी कि लैला को कैस मिला और कैस एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे पूरा उतरा लैला की.
हाँ.
बाय एंड लार्ज नहीं.
हाँ.
है ना?
कॉमन थी, लेकिन जैसे अमीर एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे उतरा है वैसे तो नहीं.
वो तो नहीं.
कैसे अमीर को नहीं कैसे कंपेयर.
वो तो बट एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मेरे ख्याल में जो जिससे ऑडियंस ने बड़ा रेजोनेट किया और कनेक्ट किया कि young couple की कहानी. और it's not like we show young couples in our dramas, but they're not modern young couples. They're still they might be young couples, but कहानी storytelling is archaic या dated. तो इसमें जो उनके आपस के ताल्लुकात थे या जिस तरह से उनको दिखाया कि यार जिस तरह से वो challenges जो face कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह से वो अपने घर से फिर transition करके निकले, it was all very modern for the lack of a better word. तो उस कितना वो स्क्रिप्ट में था, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं कि ज्यादातर वो स्क्रिप्ट में था, बट टू ब्रिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक फ्रेशनेस टू अ पेयर ऑन स्क्रीन, उसके पीछे कोई एडिशनल आप लोगों ने काम किया, ये यू एंड तला जस्ट हिट इट ऑफ लाइक दैट?
नो आई थिंक एडिशनल काम तो डेफिनेटली होता है. आई फील लाइक सरवत जी, इफ आई मे से, शी इज ऑफ कोर्स एक्सेप्शनली टैलेंटेड, लेकिन सरवत जी की जो क्वालिटी है ना, वो ये कि वो चीज़ों को बड़ा ट्रेडिशनली समझती हैं. And Ali Bhai brings the modern into the same traditional value system. So I feel like that really worked big time for us. कि वो चीज़ें लिखी हुई थी बड़ी डिटेल में, जैसे बड़ों को अच्छी लगे, माँ बाप भी ऑडियंस बन सकें आपकी, और फिर Ali Bhai has that sprinkle of modern and new age and fresh, and that made it a good show for say someone my age or people younger than us. The difference in feedback that I've received this time compared to any other shows that I've done is that all kinds of age groups are watching this drama, which made Jama Takseem a successful show. So I feel like वो सरवत जी की wisdom और अली भाई का वो जो new age touch है ना, that combination was gold.
This is the first time you're working with Tala. How was that experience?
Really good, really nice, and I feel that initially when we started working, बड़े हमारे intense scenes थे. But I feel like Ali Bhai made it really, really easy for us. We were both very nervous because I don't think I have done a character like Leila. I have not operated in a joint family system before or worked with a cast of 25 people, and neither had Talha. So हम तो ऐसे nervous set पे पहुँचे थे, nerve balls बने हुए थे, and then Ali Bhai would sit us down and make us read scenes, and I think that kind of broke the ice. And फिर alhamdulillah.
Off camera, you think you have a good friendship with Tala now?
Yeah, I think so.
इस तरह का क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट है इसमें जिसमें देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फोकस ऑन द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अ न्यूली वेड कपल. आई सपोज के एक्टर्स का एक आपस में कंफर्ट लेवल होना या सीन्स डिस्कस करना कि यार हम उसको ऐसे करेंगे, वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, और वो आप और तला ने कितना किया?
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट इवन दो वी जस्ट मेट ऑन जमा तकसीम सेट, वी नेचुरली हैड दैट कंफर्ट. वी वर नर्वस फॉर आवर ओन सेल्व्स, but with each other we just somehow had that comfort. The moment we were introduced to each other and sat down with Ali Bhai and reading through scenes, immediately we had that comfort. So हमें बिल्कुल भी like I won't say कि हमें कोई वक्त लगा है उस comfort तक पहुंचने के लिए. So अगर हमारे जो शुरू में हमने सीन्स शूट किए हैं, अगर आपको पता चल जाए कि वो 18th एपिसोड के थे और 21st एपिसोड के थे, यू वुडंट इवन बिलीव कि ये शुरू के सीन्स।
कहीं कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इनिशियली थोड़ी
Now
सी
that I've said it,
मुझे
of
लगा था,
course.
मैंने बोला था, मैंने अपने रिव्यू में भी एक जगह बोला था, मुझे ऐसा लगा, बट आई थिंक ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम देन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आई थिंक यू बोथ ईज्ड इनटू इट. And it's a difficult sequence, right? Because you're playing a newlywed person and the actors don't really know each other and they've just
Yeah.
met on set. So
Yeah,
I
and
suppose it's a challenge.
It is challenging, and then your script is also
कोई भी होता था
divided
की
into
जगह.
parts कि कहीं आप बिल्कुल newlywed हो, कहीं आपकी भी शादी नहीं हुई है, कहीं पर आपकी शादी को इतने महीने हो गए या साल हो गया है. So, but I think if you have, which we were very lucky, if you have a good director, he can take you through everything. So I think I always say I'm a director's actor. I've been very, very lucky.
अब जब से जमा तकसीम चल रहा है, बहुत कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है, हमारे रिव्यूज के ऊपर भी बहुत फीडबैक आता है, एंड कंसिस्टेंटली पीपल हैव सेड दैट they find जमा तकसीम टू बी वेरी रिलेटेबल. एंड बिकॉज पाकिस्तान में जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम इतना वाइड स्प्रेड है, बहुत सारे लोगों का उस पर फिर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था कि यार ये सही है, नहीं ये सही नहीं है, ऐसे होता है, ऐसे नहीं होता. While you were filming, shooting, or now if you get the time to watch it, as a viewer, what is your take and feedback on how things have unfolded? Do you see that any aspect of maybe Leila that you probably don't relate with, or you entirely relate with Leila? How do you see the dynamic between the parents and the in-laws? कहीं पे as a viewer I'm saying, क्योंकि interesting conversation है ना, आप देखते हैं, आप कहते हैं यार ऐसे हो रहा है, अच्छा ये गलत कर रहा है, ये गलत कर रहा है, ये सही कर रहा है, तो ये सोचें आई हैं आपको?
अब तो क्योंकि I've just shot जमा तकसीम, अभी थोड़ा टाइम तो I won't be able to separate myself from Leila. लेकिन I do feel that while I was shooting it, Leila was not that relatable for me. The kind of problems that she was dealing with, the kind of I don't know how to say it, but like whatever she was going through was not relatable for me. But I get why it would be relatable for a larger audience. I get why, because there's a lot of societal problems जो कि बड़े common हैं जमा तकसीम में और हमारी society में. Like for instance, I've seen the recent promo last night. So now that we're heading towards a conversation about pregnancy and mood swings and how your hormones are up and down, I feel like Sarwat ji has, मतलब it's a masterpiece. आपके हर episode में she's touching upon something which is real. And I feel like that happens very rarely in our dramas. Dramas are mostly created out of fiction, right? Which is also beautiful, which is also enjoyable. But I feel like Jama Takseem was different because every situation that you're in, you know that it's happened to many people. So you also want
आपके साथ ना भी बताओ, आपको पता होता है X के साथ, Y के साथ, Z के साथ.
So that's what I'm saying. I know why it would be relatable to so many people. Because of course, a few situations here and there, even I found relatable. But like I can't put my finger on it right now. But you do see how Sarwat ji has written real characters. She's written she's really humanized all the characters. And then Ali Bhai has added further into it. So I feel कि वो वजह है कि लोगों को characters relatable लगे.
Since you mentioned the next episode teaser, मैंने जब वो teaser देखा, उसका top comment ये था, oh well done Mavra, such a brilliant performance on showing what women go through during their first trimester.
Yeah.
अब ये मैंने like man, तो relatability की जो बात है कि अब किसी ने बैठ के उसके लिए ये चीज important थी कि यार mood swings जो हो रहे हैं, जिस तरह से वो behave कर रही है, ये कितना मेरे लिए relatable है. It's got nothing to do with joint family.
Exactly. So whether it's you feeling like a newlywed shy bride, or if it's a
first time mother,
first trimester, हर चीज के emotions बहुत deeply लिखे हुए भी थे. And then Ali Bhai also is very, very good at it. So I remember thinking about friends who I've seen in their first trimesters, and then I remember being on Google, looking at how women feel, so I can at least feel some of that and try to at least portray it. So I'm really glad. Like we could have also gone wrong. So I'm just glad that we did go right. And
मैं इसलिए भी बात पूछ रहा हूँ because कभी-कभी देखते